Hello friends, welcome back to Sketchware Help. So today's video is basically on tab view or view pager. Okay. So how to make this? You can see that I am scrolling these views and you are getting tabs are changing, layouts are changing. So how to create it? Okay. So for this we need to first of all create a project in Sketchware, tab layout or whatever you want to name it. Okay. Now there you have to add a linear whose id I have given as tab layout. Okay, I have changed the id and give it as tab layout. Okay, whose width is match parent and height is wrap content. Padding I have set to 0, margin is also 0, orientation is sorry with this SMS. Anyways, orientation is vertical. Okay, next I have taken one linear whose name I have given as I have made its ID as base. Okay, whose width and height I have kept as wrap content. Padding is default by default 8. Margin is also 0, and it's this one. The base says orientation is horizontal. Okay, then another linear whose height I have taken as whose ID I have given as trash. Okay, width and height as app content. Padding I have kept it as 0. Okay, padding I have made its padding as 0. Then margin is also by default 0. Orientation is vertical. Remember the base orientation is horizontal and the trash orientation is vertical, and this one the tab layout orientation is also vertical. So vertical, horizontal, vertical. Okay, now before that main wait the main layout I have made its padding as 0, but for making you all understand I have added here a main layout. Okay, and whose width is 1 width and height is match parent. Padding is now it's 8, but after initial it was 0. Just for making you all understand, I have made it as 8. Okay, then margin is set to 0. Orientation is horizontal, so remember vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. Okay, the orientation is set like this. Okay, now layout 1 I am making all these as wrap content so that it's easy for you all to understand. So add 4 linear views, 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so all these linear layouts will be height and width both will be match parent. Now it's wrap content, just for making you all understand. Padding is 8. It's up to you, whatever you feel like keep here. Only you have to add your contents, okay, of the page. All the linear layouts orientations are vertical. Remember, this must be vertical only. They should not be horizontal. Okay, done. Now I have kept the first layout 1 background color gave as light blue, layout 2 background color as green, layout 3 background color as red, and layout 4 background color as black. I think it's a red only. Sorry, it's deep orange. Anyways, okay. And here it's all done. So the view section is all done. I am making all of them as wrap with as match parent by default. I am making them, changing everything to a default. Whatever changes I did for making you all understand. Okay, match parent layout 1 is also match parent, and this main padding is 0. Set to 0. Okay, no, done. View section is done. Now after that we have to create a custom view empty.xml. Here we have added nothing, just a linear one whose width and height is match parent and padding is 0, set to 0. Margin is also set to 0. Orientation is vertical, remember. Now let's come back to the main, and now going to the on create section. Here we have to create a number variable. Okay, here we have to this string is not required here. Anyways, number variable, and here position number I have given. Okay, so first we have to add this code, view pager. You can see the code. This code or the whole block will be available. This whole block will be available. I'm saving it to my collection as view pager block. Okay, this whole block will be available in the Sketch Store app. Okay, you can download it from there or add it to a collection section there and then add it. Okay, then you have to give 4 if else. Okay, sorry, 3 if else and 1 if. Where position is 0, then tab layout 1. If position is 1, then tab layout 2 to toast. Here you have to give your events. Okay, what will happen when tab layout 2 is, when we are going to tab layout 2, or when we are coming back to tab layout 1, whatever. Okay, when position number is 2, it's tab layout 3. Remember, the position always starts from 0. Like in list string, the position starts from 0. List view or spinner view, the position starts from 0. Like this, here also the position starts from 0. Okay, in this way, like this going on, and at last we have to create here. See, we have to give this code. This is the color of the line below that white line, and then below the tabs. Like this the code is going on, and here you have to write what it's chat area or game area or whatever the title of the tab. Okay, that's it, and that's it. So it's done. Tab layout is done. Okay, now we have not added any more block or component or views and things. Okay, so now let's see what happens when we run this with this project. When we run this project, see, there are 4 tabs. We had created 4 tabs, so these 4 tabs are created already. This we have given that when position is 0, then tab layout 1. When position is 1, tab layout 2. When position is 3, position is 1, tab layout 2. Position is 2, tab layout 3. And position is 4, tab layout 5. So I hope you all have understood how to make view pager or tab layout. Okay, so if you have liked this video, please do hit the like button, and these codes are available in Sketch Store. You can easily download Sketch Store from the description below and get yourself the codes. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos.